Hey guys, once again welcome back to our YouTube channel MM Creations. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet shoulder bags designs for girls and women. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and stunning designs shown to you people in it. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you all kinds of crochet related designs. So you guys can see different designs in it, different colors are being shown to you which you have never seen before. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls and women love such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos, so friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any video related to crochet, visit my channel. So friends, today's video is amazing. Every video has a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. I am very happy that you like my videos and leave good comments. Please let me know in the comment box what you guys like to see. Take care, stay with me, will remember in prayer, and bye.